This is Gallagher 123 weather alert in effect here. Play this. This is not my actual weather radio device. This is my iPod Touch's app that I use, and it's gonna read it to us. And by the way, if you're getting sick of my videos, don't worry, the tech videos are still gonna happen. Alright, here we go.
High wind warning in effect until 6 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. The National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a high wind warning, which is in effect until 6 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. The wind advisory is no longer in effect. Locations: Northern Connecticut, Massachusetts, and Rhode Island. Hazards: strong damaging winds through early hours of Wednesday morning. Winds: south 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts between 45 and 55 miles per hour. Timing: the strongest winds will occur across interior southern New England between 8 p.m. and midnight. The strongest wind will occur across the coastal plain between 10 p.m. and 3 a.m. Impacts: strong winds will combine with heavy rain to result in some tree damage and scattered power outages. The heavy rain coupled with fully leafed trees will result in more damage than is normally associated with these wind speeds. Therefore, we have upgraded to a high wind warning. Precautionary preparedness actions: prepare for the possibility of minor damage and brief power outages. A high wind warning is issued when sustained winds of 40 miles per hour are expected for at least an hour, with gusts of 58 miles per hour or greater at any time. Damage to trees, power lines, and property are possible with wind of this magnitude. Power outages are likely. Take action now to secure any loose outdoor objects.
And quickly I'll say, and see the red lights on my Midland WR120. Okay. That's all for this video, and I will try and capture any weather radio updates.